Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So this session we will discuss about capital recovery and AW analysis, CR analysis. If we refer to the learning outcome number 3, capital recovery analysis. So what is capital recovery? Capital recovery is the equivalent annual amount that an asset, process or system must earn each year to just recover the first cost with stated rate of return, the I value, over its expected life. Okay. First, CR is still a AW value, but just a new symbol. Capital recovery is a new symbol, but it's not a new factor. The CR still is a AW factor, A factor. CR is just a new symbol and it's not a new factor. Again, we have only 4 factors in economic analysis: the P, F, A, and G. So capital recovery still a AW value, which to recover the first cost with the state rate of return over its expected life. For that reason, the CR only consists of first cost and the salvage value of the asset, process or system. The first cost, the P, and also the salvage value. So I'll give you an example. If I have a vending machine business, I want to invest in vending machine, and this vending machine I put at one place, and this vending machine also have support by other utilities, electricity, the water, and also maybe the rental of the place. So if we look at that example, so the capital recovery only consider for the cost of the vending machine and the market value. Let's say the vending machine lasts you for 8 years, so the cost you to buy the vending machine and what is the market value after 8 years. How about the utilities, the rental of the place that I put the vending machine? So it will be considered as a operating cost. So CR only focus on the again the capital of the asset. In this case, only the vending machine cost and the market value after 8 years. And if you look at the previous example, which is the example that we have used to prove that AW advantage we can calculate based on one life cycle. So we see here the CR only consists of the first cost P, and the F is referred to the salvage value 5,000. So the CR for that example is negative 6532 per year. And how about the annual operating cost? So it will add later. So this is the CR value, plus with the annual operating cost value. So again, the CR only consists of the first cost plus with the salvage value of that machine, asset, process, or system. So look one example. Look one example. So here, Hospital Melaka install a new magnetic resonance imaging MRI machine at cost of 750,000 this year. That's the first cost. Life is 6 years, and the market value is 75,000 after 6 years. Interest rate 10% per year, the rate of return. So the questions analyze the minimum revenue required each year to realize the expected recovery and return. So the minimum, sure you have to able to pay the capital every year. That's the minimum revenue that expected in any business. So similar with this MRI machine, so the clinic have to be able to recover the minimum cost. Here refer to minimum capital recovery every year for 6 years. So again, from this data, we develop the cash flow diagram here. Yeah, for diagram, first cost and the service value for 6 years. And we solve this AW value for MRI, and that's the value supposed to be recovered for this MRI machine every year for 6 years. Okay. What the interpretation? If the clinic cannot recover the capital recovery for every year, means the clinic cannot generate profits. Why? Because in this case, we didn't consider the operating cost, the person in charge, the other utilities, the air conditions, and uh, and other costs related associated with this MRI machine. So if the minimum revenue cannot recover the capital, so we can uh, reject the idea to install the MRI machines. So that's the idea that we use this capital recovery. So I stop there. So next session we will discuss one example to look how this capital recovery been implemented. Thank you.